Hello friends, good morning. আশা করি তোমরা সবাই ভালো আছো and definitely you guys at your best health. So today is a simple video. It's an informative video. So if you check my reels and shorts, I have just purchased an Aoocci C5. Okay, and it's a GPS device which I purchased, and it's very important for all bikers. Okay, so I'll show you the device. This is the device I've purchased, and there are a lot of unboxing videos in YouTube. You can definitely check. And if you like this information, do share and like the video, and definitely share with people who struggle connecting the GPS devices or any kind of devices in their bikes. Okay. So what I was saying was, if you don't know how to install these GPS devices, it's very easy, self explained. But in all the videos I've seen in YouTube, no one has shown how to connect them to your bike. Okay, so everyone knows that I own a GS 310. So what I'll do is I'll install this in my bike, and then I'll show you how to connect the wires. Okay, it's straightforward, everything is tagged, and all the information I'll give it to you. Okay, so before that, let me take you through all the things which comes along with it. This Aoocci C5 is from China, and I got imported from China. It took me 7 to 8 days, and the website link is in the description. And the best part is, this company is 100% legal and genuine, and they don't charge any custom duties. Okay, it's just that once they come to India, they ask you for a verification. So if you give them the Aadhaar card, email them the Aadhaar card, and they'll send you the device to your home address. It's very simple. And I got this device. There are 3 other models. This is C5, the other one is C5 Pro, and there is C6 Pro upgraded model. Because it's too much wiring and the camera quality isn't that good for the Pro model, so it just records in 1080p, which I think it's not good enough for night vision. So that's the reason why I didn't go for it. And anyways, I always carry an action camera. You guys are already aware of it. So that's it. So stay tuned with the video, and I'll take you through all the installation. So guys, as you can see, this is the device which I have, and it has got a connector to it. So the Pro model will have 3 connectors. This is the connector. This is the power connector basically, and there's the tags at the back. So the other model, this C5 Pro, will come with 3 connectors because they have the front cameras and the rear cameras as well, and it comes with the TPMS indicator, which you can easily purchase after you purchase any device. It's going to cost you $1,000. Okay, and this is the installation manual guide which I got, and these are the main cables which you need to connect. See, as I told you in the beginning of the video, it's all self explained. It's the red cable is the positive one, okay, and the black cable is the neutral. You'll see, yeah, ground. You can see it's ground. I hope the camera is focusing. And the yellow one, this is where it's the confusion starts, because people don't know what is ACC. It's basically the accessory fuse. Okay, you just have to connect to the accessory fuse, and your job will be done, because it switches on when your ignition is on, and it switches off when your ignition is off. Okay, so that's how it works. And this is the power connector which goes to the connection of the device. Okay, so that's as simple as that. So let me connect it and take you to my bike, and then I'll show you once I've done the connection. Yeah. So this is the fuse box, guys. It has mentioned everything. So this is my headlight and indicator fuse. So what I'll do is I'll wrap it around and tap this cable, this ACC cable, in that fuse box. Okay. So guys, as you can see, I've just tapped my ACC cable to the light and indicator fuse. So this part is done, and here is the positive terminal. This is the positive terminal which I've connected, and this is the negative ground terminal which I've connected. So I've just tested with the tester and it's totally fine right now. So what I'll do here, I have mounted the device as you can see. So now I'll be connecting and switching off the ignition. So let's see what happens. So guys, the moment of truth. Hopefully it turns on. Yes. So I've done it. So it's very simple, as I told you. So this is the interface, and let me check. It's connecting to Wi-Fi as well. See, it's showing Wi-Fi signal. And let's go to settings and let me set it up. Then I'll give you a feedback about how is it working. So guys, if you like my videos, do like and share, and I'll keep on giving you informative videos. And of course, share it with the people who are still, unable to connect with the ground and battery positive section. So that's it guys. Keep watching. Thank you. Have a very nice day.